and today we are going to make origami. These are the 3 origami each of us are going to make. Here is the bird I am going to make. Here are both sides and they're both symmetrical, which is a good reason why I'm going to say do this to the other side later in the video. Next, I'm going to do this, the piano.
Next, I am going to make a samurai hat.
So here is my green origami paper, and you're going to need a square for this, as you can see. And the first step is to fold your middle line right here. Then unfold it, because that'll be your middle line, baseline, as you call it, I guess. And next you're going to want to fold it like this on both on the same side, so it looks symmetrical like you have seen before earlier in the video. Then you turn it over and fold this down, and then you'll turn it over and see that it should look like this. Then you're going to want to fold this piece down like this. Do the same on the other side. And then unfold this piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece, so it should look like this. This piece is still folded down. And then you're gonna wanna fold it like this and this, both the same, of course. And then you're gonna wanna fold this up like this, but not all the way up like that. So you're gonna wanna fold it kind of like up like here. And then you're gonna wanna put these 2 pieces together and put it up. And it should look like that. Do the same on the other side. And I'll show you again. You take this piece up right here and turn it into a triangle and fold it. And once it's a triangle right here, fold it like that. And then after that step, you're gonna wanna fold this piece down like this, and this piece down like this. So then it should look like this. And then you're gonna wanna fold it up like this, so it kind of looks like feathers maybe. Wings a little bit, like that. Then after that step, you're gonna wanna fold it like, gotta keep that there. Fold it like this, so it's, I'm gonna turn it over, so it's like a piece right there, and then you fold it in there. And then after you fold that, you're gonna wanna fold this whole thing in half. And then to make the tail like up, you can fold it like that. And then to make it like I did earlier, like this nose piece right here, you're gonna wanna turn around. Fold it like a little bit down like that, and then it should like be inside there, and then you should fold kind of a lot, maybe, so the beak can be in, and then here is the beak. And then you can take a pencil. This is optional. If you want to draw an eye, and you could draw an eye, you can draw an eye. Then you can also draw it on the other side. And that's how you do the bird. So for the piano, you have to fold it in half like this. So it looks like this, up and down. Then you have to fold it in half but sideways. So it looks like a square. But then you have to unfold it and fold it in the perfect spot so it hits that half line right there. And you have to do the same on the other side. Next, you should put your finger at the very top and fold it like that. So there's a triangle at the very so once you got the triangle, it should look like that, and do the same thing on the other side. So it looks like two houses. Next, you have to fold these parts, fold this part up right here where those two lines are, fold it up, then fold these two lines like this so they're facing out. So it should look like this. Then fold that top part back down into the middle so it looks like, so it's a piano. Okay, so when you're okay, so first we need a square for this. Okay, first you fold the top down. Okay, what are you making? I'm making a samurai hat, by the way. Okay, and I'm gonna fold it this way and then unfold it like this, so I have that center line, and then fold it not all the way, but some of it like this, all to the middle like this. That's why you need that middle line. Do the same with the other side. Okay, now you have to fold this. You have to fold this piece up like this. Like this. Okay, it'll look like this at the end when you finish folding it up, I mean. And then you have to fold this down. You're not supposed to fold the whole thing down. You're supposed to fold, there's two flaps here, and you're supposed to fold this up. And then you're supposed to fold, and then unfold it, yeah. Then you fold it like this. Wait, don't unfold it. Okay, you fold it like this, and the other side, repeat with the other side. Okay, so it looks like this. Now do that same, not the same thing. Fold it not all the way to that line right there, but fold it some to the line, not all the way. And then repeat with the other side. So you fold this up, now you fold it up, like this, and then do the same to the other side. Okay, so it looks like this now. Okay, now fold that extra piece up like this. So, and then you got your samurai hat. So that's how you make the origami piano, bird, and samurai hat. Make sure to subscribe.